Good morning, myself Harshada Desle. I am going to discuss about agrochemicals of industrial chemistry for the class of TYBSc. Agrochemicals are nothing but they are the compounds, they are the chemicals which are used in agriculturals. They can improve the quality of food and the growth of plants. Scope of agrochemicals. Agrochemicals are very important due to the global rank is fourth for the supplier of agrochemicals. Pesticides. Side means they can kill. Pesticides are the types of pesticides. They can kill variety of pests, like they can prevent, destroy or repel from the insects, rodent, nematodes, these microorganisms, and clear the pest. These are the types of pesticides. They can types of four: insecticides, herbicides, fungicides, rodenticide. On the sentence or on the name, they can indicate the insecticide means they can kill the insects. Herbicides indicates they can kill the herbs, weeds, and the growth of plant is natural. Fungicides, they can kill the fungus, and rodenticide, they can kill the rat and mouse killers. These are the pesticide they can target on pest, means fungicide they can attack on fungus. This is a specific pesticide they can cure the pest. Classification of insecticides, they are different classification. It depends on chemical composition, or it depends on the mode of entry of insecticides into the body of the insects, or it can classified into based on the mode of action, or it can classified into based on toxicity, or it can based on the stage specificity. Types of insecticides. These are the types of insecticides: Altacor, virus, success, steam, entrop, Ramon. Herbicides, on the basis of mode of action, they can be classified into contact, absorption, movement, toxicity, weed and plant death. Types of fungicides. Fungicides are the protectants and the systematic. They are two types of fungicides. Protectants are they can present on the surface of plant and kill the fungal spores as they germinate. Therefore, it kill by poisoning several sites in fungus. Therefore, less likely for resistance to develop. In systematic fungicides, they can absorb into plant and kill fungus. It penetrate the plant. Rodenticide having type, for example, warfarin, diphenthylone, styricine. These are the types of rodenticide. Growth regulators means they can regulate the growth of plants. There are the types 5 recognized groups of natural plant hormones, and they can growth regulators. For example, auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, ethylene, abscisic acid. Types of pesticide formulation. How can prepare or how can manufacture the pesticide? There are the 4 different types: liquid formulation, fumigants, adjuvants, dry formulation. In liquid formulation, emulsifiable concentration we can symbolize by EC. Then solution, it can maybe liquid flowable or aerosols. In dry formulation, it may be a dust, bites, granules or pellets, vegetable powders. Meant they can moisture absorb, not dry. Soluble powders, micro encapsulated, dry flowables. Other formulations are the microencapsulated pesticides. The advantages of these: increase the applicator safety, easy to mix, handle and apply, time release. And the disadvantages is it require constant agitation, and it takes capsule back to have. Long term storage stability, it can maybe it requires to setting, means sedimentation, flotation, sceneries, blooding, demics, appearance after a time of rest, transport stability, gelatin effect. This. This is a types of storage stability: long-term storage, intermediate, and accelerated. It long-term for 12 months, intermediate for 6 months, and accelerated also 6 months. Now they shows the temperature and the percentage for hour. Entomology. What is entomology? Entomology is the science study of biology in their structure and functions, ecology, and importance of insects. Structure and function means morphologies, physiology, genetics, and ecology. Ecology are the study of interrelation between insects and themselves as well as other organisms relative to their environment. Economic importance. Agrochemicals having advantages: they are cheap, they are economical, they are also less harmful to the human beings and more effective against pests. They are more stable and can be kept for prolonged period. Degradation is less. They can be used to control the carriers of vector-borne diseases like malaria, sleeping sickness, and dengue fever. Disadvantages of agrochemicals are: the onset of action is slow, the quantity of pesticide requires may be more due to crude component. Structure of some pesticides are endosulfan, permethrin, carbofuran, malathion, like this. Synthesis of DDT. DDT is the like this. It requires chlorobenzene, 2 molecule of chlorobenzene with trichloro acetaldehyde in presence of sulfuric acid, formation of this intermediate, and then get DDT. Application of DDT is: they can use to kill the mosquitoes. Pests become resistant to DDT. It expose the people suffer cancer and pregnancy birth problems. Malaria affects 1 million people in 1 year. Synthesis of BHC. BHC is the it requires to benzene with reacts with 3 atoms of chlorine in presence of UV light at 500 Kelvin. We get benzene hexachloride like BHC. Unsaturated compound converts into saturated compound. It is first prepared by Michael Faraday. Van der Linden discovered 4 isomers. It is highly purified product containing 99% gamma isomer. Hexachlorocyclohexane is also known as lindane. BSC is also known as a lindane. Lindane is more volatile than DDT and has fumigant action. It is stomach and contact insecticide. It is extensively used as a soil insecticide against termite, white grubs, etc. Synthesis of endosulfan. It requires hexachlorocyclopentadiene reacts with cis-butene 1,4-diol. It goes through Diels-Alder reaction. We get endosulfan. Endosulfan is a pesticide belonging to the organochlorine group of pesticide. It emerged as a leading chemical used as against the broad spectrum of insects and the mites in agriculture and aligned sector. It acts as a contact and stomach poison and has a slight fumigant action. It is used in vegetables, fruits, cotton, cashew, tea, coffee, tobacco, etc. Biopesticides. Biopesticides are the certain types of pesticides derived from the natural materials like plants, animals, bacteria, and certain minerals. Biopesticides are inherently less toxic than conventional pesticides. They are generally affect only target pests. Are effective in very small quantity and often decompose quickly. This is the example of biopesticide. For example, neem plant. From flower we can manufacture anti-cancer, anti-fertility product. From seed we can prepare antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, anti-arthritic, anti-cancer medicine. Insecticide, anti-fidant. Then from bark we can manufacture anti-ulcer, hepatoprotective, antimicrobial and anti-cancer medicine. From the leaf we can make the fertilizer, pesticide, and also antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, anti-fertility, anti-cancer activity. Chemicals of Karanj biomass, or we can use Karanj oil from the Karanj plant. Nutritional factor and anti-nutritional factors. Nutritional factor is that minerals, vitamins, proteins, carbohydrates, dietary fibers and fatty acids. Having three types: feedstock for microbial growth and enzymes, feedstocks for biogas, biodiesel and producer gas, and the animal feed. In case anti-nutritional factors are the pesticides. In medicine, anti-cancer, anti-diabetic, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, etc. Advantages of biopesticides: they are the less toxic, non-hazardous than the conventional pesticides, effect only on the target pest and closely related to organisms, whereas the conventional pesticides are broad spectrum pesticides, effective in very small quantities and often decompose quickly, resulting in lower exposures and largely avoiding pollution problems caused by conventional pesticides. When used as a component of integrated pest management programs, biopesticides can greatly reduce the use of a conventional pesticide while crop yields remain high. Thank you.